pregnant humans? Colleen here, and we are talking about breathing. I could and probably will record many videos about breathing, but today we are talking about using this Yoga Tune Up Coregeous ball and opening up your rib cage to allow your diaphragm to get some space. You know, babies are growing, organs are being shoved up into the rib cage area. You just ate. You may be a little anxious, and maybe you're just feeling a little bit of hyperventilation happening. So, great ways to down-regulate the system so we can relax, catch our breath, is using the Coregeous ball. So what we're going to do is coming to your side. Let me move my other balls. Coming to your side, roll onto your back. This is the safest way as a pregnant human to get to your back. And then we're going to roll and place the Yoga Tune Up ball just under our low ribs. Maybe we start at our ribs and work our way down. Then we're just relaxing. Arms down here. Take a few big belly breaths. Slow inhale, slow exhale. While we're here, we can move our arms overhead to get more of a side body trunk opening experience and release. I'm noticing that my pecs are feeling a bit tight. We can get to rolling those in some future videos. So, the great thing about having a spherical object is that we can roll around. So I can walk myself or I can help myself move, finding the best place for me and my body right now. You can also move side to side, breathing the entire time. But what we're doing is we're giving that rib cage an opening and allowing the diaphragm some space. If you start to feel like your breath is shortening, please roll to your side, rest here for a couple breaths, and then come on up. With this Coregeous ball, being so adaptable, which is lovely, you are going to take it, stick it under the side of your rib cage, and now we can relax over and see how this can massage and lengthen fascia, obliques. Again, everything can get really restricted and tight in this area of our trunk as a baby grows. So whatever we can do to self-massage and just help our body find some length is wonderful. So we're here. We can either use our body to move, or we can move it manually with our hands, and then relaxing over. And if there's any spots that get like super tender, or you're like, ooh, that feels really interesting, feel free to explore it or just rest and take those breaths, because when you breathe, you're gonna push into the ball, and the ball is gonna push into you as you exhale. So it's this give and take relationship with the object, which can feel really great and supportive. We can also, if you're in your first trimester, you don't have a baby bump just yet, we can flip all the way over onto our chest and bellies and relax over the ball. You can see the ball there. I like to rest my hands so I can stack them, or I even make fists and I stack my head, just depending on how I'm feeling. But you're going to have much greater ease if you look to the ground. If you want to move your head around, please feel free. You can look left and right and rest and breathe and see how that changes your experience. You can also move side to side. I don't have a big chest, so I can get a pretty good breast massage here without too much pain. Some of my other clients, they just got gifted with some big tatas, and that's not really possible. So just staying up along the clavicle is great. If you have any questions, comment, contact me. I'm happy to help, but I hope that helps you breathe a little bit easier. See ya!